All right, it is that time of the week, ladies and gentlemen. It is Friday, and it's time for our weekly walk up Walking Street to see what's new, what's exciting, what's changed, what hasn't changed, what's open, what's closed, what's soon to close, what's soon to open. You know the deal. Let's head up the street. Gentlemen, get my glasses on here. Hang on, hang on. All right, here we go, here we go. Start our little stroll up the Walking Street. Friday morning, I don't know what time it is, maybe 10 o'clock. This is a new to me, this one here. Da, da, da. Paradise. Welcome to paradise. Here's your photo. What are you opening up, buddy? When you open? Never know. When you're ready, right? When you're ready to open, huh? It's a photo booth, huh? What do? Bring your girlfriend here?
Yes, sir.
Is that what you do, huh? Bring your girlfriend here, huh? Take a photo.
Photo.
All right.
That's a remembrance.
Well, that's what you have a phone for. Everybody has a cell phone for that, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. If I were running bets on that, I'd be surprised how long that will stay open. Everybody has a cell phone. You guys remember the the photo booth places at the I remember from the boardwalk, Jersey Shore, when I was younger. You go in there and you go in there with your buddies and your friends and you take photos and make goofy faces and everything, right? I guess that's what that's gonna be. I don't know, but I can't see it. Have a look inside. Casino bar. It used to be Paro Paro, right?
Yeah, before.
Now it's Casino Bar. What happened to Paro Paro?
Fly.
Fly, out of business, huh?
Already fly.
Already flew the coop, huh? All right. I'm good, buddy. I'm all right. Maybe later.
Okay.
Maybe. Makes them think I'm coming back, right? Flew the coop. Oh, I almost twisted my ankle there. There's usually a bunch of girls standing out here. They're closed. Now the door's open. Just the girls aren't out this morning. Yes, and they never reopened either. The Gold Bar still remains closed to this day, right? Get out here, get away from the music. You guys, if you guys don't realize this or not, but people love to play music. They love for you to hear their music. Right? Baccarat bar is closed. You can see here they built this nice little stage here for seating, but they stopped. I sure hope they put a roof over that or something, so you're not cooking in the heat.
Hello, I'm here.
He's here. Hello, I'm here. Excuse me, boy, I'm still getting over this cold I have. know somebody's going to say, well, then quit vaping, right?
Sir.
I'm good, buddy. 54.60, the going rate. Yeah, I've been getting over this cold for the past couple days. Just sore throat and coughing, and I slept 2 days of sleeping pretty much is what I did. Junior. Morning, Junior. Clubs are just starting to come alive. They're just starting to open up, and it's a Friday. Huh? What? Huh? What are they saying? Boy, Kokomo's is empty. There is nobody on the perch at Kokomo's. Wow. Usually people are there for, they're usually there for, 1, 2, 3. Nice tattoo. I like it. 2004.
Yeah.
I just stopped for a little break, right? Right here. This little Korean restaurant. A lot of you guys always have commented about their menu and everything like that. One of these days I'll get in there and I'll show you around. But yeah, like I was saying to the girl, it smells really good in there, I can tell you that much. Like I was saying to the girl, like it always changes. Used to be a bar. Was it Angel Witch? Somebody let me know. Somebody let me know down below. To like a little grocery store, to a little, I don't know, clothing store, to now a restaurant. So yeah, always changes. There we go. Cabbage, steamed corn and crabs. I wonder if anybody's in there. There's 2 people. Oh, they're workers. Hello. They're workers. Gotta feel bad for that place. It's nobody's ever in there. Every time I come by, nobody's in there. What's up, man? How do they stay open? I don't know. Here's Eclipse. What do we got going on at Eclipse? Miss Eclipse Summer Body. That's today. That's today, Cinco de Mayo. Everybody's walking by. Miss Eclipse Summer Body, May 5th, 2023. Grand prize, 30,000 pesos. Second runner-up, 20,000. Third runner-up, 10,000. That's a pretty good deal right there. I know by the time you guys see this video, it will be, it will already have been, it'll have already have been the end of Cinco de Mayo day, right? Good morning. They hold some parties in there. They did an 80s night the other week. So yeah, they're changing things up. I've said to one of the owners, or one of the people that's involved in there, Dave from Dave's Kebabs, I said to him, I said, you know what? Hey, morning. I said, you know what? You guys need a bubble machine in there. I'm not talking a bubble machine that cranks bubbles out all over the place and makes everything crazy. Hello. It makes everything crazy. Just have bubbles floating around in there. I think that would be pretty cool. I was in there one night and the lasers, and it was cool looking. And then maybe have like a foam party night. Just an idea. Just something I would do. to draw people in, something different, a foam party, right? That'd be pretty cool. 54.70 on the US dollar. MC Cafe. So they have an upstairs place, or an upstairs eating area in there also. I watched that change hands. It's been MC Cafe for quite a while now. Oh, I'm getting run over. Well, Hannah Grace has one more week. Oh yeah, don't want to get run over. One more week of school, then she's done, and then she moves to the 10th grade. She's excited to move to the 10th grade. Hey, good morning. She's a good kid. Her and Bing both are good. They're good kids. Can't complain, right? Hey, good morning. I'm good, buddy. Okay, there he always Viagra boss. I walk by him all the time, and he always wants to give me a good price. It could be free. I don't want it. Don't need it. But I like their sales pitch. They throw out the old sales pitch just in case. Just in case. Just in case. That's the new sales pitch. Just in case. The girl sitting there, she probably makes more than a lot of people working here in stores, in department stores. She is a professional beggar. Yes, you can be a professional beggar. All right. You guys caught the last time I was up here, right? You guys caught the guy peeing on the wall behind me. That's nothing unusual here. You won't get arrested for urinating in public here. It doesn't happen. Hello, barber. Here we are. Here we are. 54.70. It's going down. It needs to go up. Nice later. 54.70. Well, there it is. There's your Friday weekly walk. There we go, almost out of battery. Your Friday weekly walk down Walking Street, Fields and Avenue. Show you what's going on, what's new, what's coming, what's going, what's sold, what isn't sold. You guys know the deal. So all right guys, we'll talk to you later.